Diabetic neuropathy, it's one of the most frustrating and painful conditions out there. That burning, tingling, numbness, or even sharp stabbing pain in your feet, legs, or hands. It can make daily life unbearable. But what if I told you that you can take control of your nerve pain starting today? In this video, we're going to uncover the shocking truth about diabetic neuropathy, including why it happens, the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with the nerve pain, and most importantly, the best exercises and strategies to actually fix it. And make sure you stick around to the end because I'll be sharing a powerful bonus therapy that's helping people dramatically reduce their nerve pain. And most people don't even know it exists. So, let's jump in. Hey everyone, I'm Gavin Noble and welcome to 10X Physio Channel, your go-to place for expert advice on staying pain-free, mobile and strong. I run Gavin Noble Physiotherapy in Lisburn, and our mission is to help people 50 plus keep moving, stay out of the doctor's office and continue doing the things they love. If you want to learn the best ways to manage pain, improve flexibility and stay active well into your later years, you're in the right place. And today we're tackling one of the most frustrating conditions people deal with, diabetic neuropathy. Now, let's get into it. Here's how today's video is going to help you. We'll start by explaining what diabetic neuropathy really is and why it happens. Then we'll cover the biggest myths that might be making your nerve pain worse. After that, I'll introduce you to the 3 best exercises that we use to help keep your joints mobile and strong. And then finally, I'll reveal a key lifestyle change that you can do that will dramatically improve your nerve health. Plus, stay until the end because I'll be sharing an advanced therapy called StimPod that's changing the game for nerve pain relief. You don't want to miss this. Before we jump in, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on expert tips to keep you pain-free and mobile. So, what exactly is diabetic neuropathy? It's a type of nerve damage caused by high blood sugar levels which injure your nerves over time, especially in your legs and feet. You might experience burning pain, tingling or electric shock sensations, numbness and loss of feeling, weakness in your legs and balance issues. The main culprits, high blood sugar, the biggest trigger for nerve damage. Poor circulation, your nerves aren't getting the oxygen and nutrients they need. Chronic inflammation, which worsens nerve pain and damage. The good news, you can take action today to stop it from getting worse and even reverse some of the damage. Before we talk about solutions, let's bust some common myths. Myth number 1, there's nothing you can do about neuropathy, it's just part of aging. Absolutely not. The right strategies can improve nerve function and reduce pain significantly. Myth number 2, if my feet are numb, I don't need to worry. Wrong. Loss of sensation can lead to infections, ulcers, and bigger complications. Myth number 3, exercise will make nerve pain worse. The opposite is actually true. The right exercises increase blood flow, improve mobility, and help nerves heal. Which kind of brings us to our 3 best exercises to keep your joints strong and moving. If any of this sounds familiar, let me know in the comments. What's the worst part about your nerve pain? Is it the burning, is it the numbness, or is it the sharp pains? Drop a comment below and I'll personally reply with some extra tips to help you out. Keeping your legs, your feet and ankles mobile is crucial if you want to stay active and prevent stiffness. So here are our top 3 exercises. So exercise 1 is seated heel and toe raises. Why? This boosts circulation and strengthens the muscles in your feet and lower legs, improving balance. So we're basically just sitting in a chair with our feet flat on the floor. We can lift our heels, keeping the toes down, and then we lower the heels, and then we lift the toes. So it's lift heels, the heels go down, lift the toes, and then, so we just basically repeat that 10 to 15 times per movement, okay? Next, we move on to our ankle circles. Why we do this is because it helps with ankle flexibility and prevents stiffness and encourages blood flow. So again, we're still seated, we extend the leg out, and then we rotate that ankle around in slow controlled circles. We can do 10 times clockwise and 10 times counterclockwise. And then once we've done that, we can repeat that just on to the other leg, like so. Okay, again, it's just 10 times in each direction. Our last exercise is a seated march. So this helps to improve leg strength, circulation, and coordination, which is essential for walking and balance. So again, we're just sitting in a chair, we're lifting one knee up towards the ceiling, and then we lower it. And then we just switch over to the other side. We're aiming to do 20 to 30 reps, which is only 10 to 15 per leg. And those are 3 most important exercises. Now, what you eat plays a huge role in your nerve health. You need to cut out sugary and processed foods. They cause inflammation. Add B vitamins, especially B12, which is crucial for nerve function. Eat healthy fats like nuts, seeds, and avocados. Stay hydrated, as dehydration makes nerve pain worse. Make these changes and you'll feel a huge improvement. Now, I promised you game-changing therapy for nerve pain, and here it is. Stim pod therapy. This stim pod therapy is a breakthrough treatment that uses electromagnetic pulses to stimulate nerve regeneration and reduce pain. It's painless, non-invasive, and has been shown to reawaken damaged nerves that have gone dormant. This therapy is helping people with diabetic neuropathy, sciatica, and other nerve pain conditions get their life back. And it's something most doctors aren't even talking about. If you want to learn more about how stim pod therapy could help you, reach out to us here at Gavin Noble Physiotherapy. We'd love to help you. So if you found this video helpful, you're going to love my next one on balance exercises that will help with neuropathy. So being unsteady on your feet is the last thing you want to have because it can lead to falls. So check out this leg strengthening video, which will help improve your balance. And if you're struggling with nerve pain and want personalized advice, reach out to us here at Gavin Noble Physiotherapy. We help people 50 plus stay strong, mobile, and out of the doctor's office. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.